Ever feel like you're working harder than ever, but somehow your money just disappears? You check your account after payday, and 2 weeks later boom, back to scraping by again. You're not alone. Man, this is what a lot of us are living right now. You did all the right things, got the job, paid your bills, maybe even started investing a little, but somehow your bank account never really grows. It's like running on a treadmill, tons of effort, zero progress. Here's the thing, it's not that you're bad with money. The game is rigged to make you spend. Every ad, every trend, every treat yourself message designed to keep you broke and chasing the next dopamine hit. If you don't break this cycle, you'll keep trading your time for stuff that never lasts. You'll buy temporary happiness but lose long-term freedom. And one day, you'll look back and realize you never really got ahead, just older. Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to Cash Plan with John, where we break down real money truths for real people. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join a community of smart hustlers learning how to make money work for them. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today, I'm breaking down the sneaky ways you're wasting money on stuff that keeps you broke and how to flip that script for good. Let's jump in. You know that feeling when you tell yourself, it's just $5. Yeah, that's the trap. Those small whatever purchases add up faster than you think. One coffee here, one app subscription there. Before you know it, you sunk hundreds without even realizing it. The average American drops around $3,000 a year on stuff they don't even think about. Coffee, snacks, unused subscriptions. That's like paying rent for a ghost apartment you never live in. The money leaks out quietly, one swipe at a time. Now imagine if you cut half of that. That's $1,500 back in your pocket. Money you could throw into your emergency fund, fund your travel dreams, or finally start that side hustle you keep talking about. Little changes can make a big impact. Society tells you small spending doesn't matter, but it's death by 1,000 swipes. The truth is, your future wealth isn't lost in big purchases. It's drained through tiny daily habits. Like Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. Social media made us believe that success means showing it off. The cars, the clothes, the vacations. But the truth, flexing isn't wealth. It's debt in disguise. Every time you chase that image, you trade peace for pressure. Nearly 40% of people admit they buy things just to impress others, and most of them regret it a few weeks later. It's not about the stuff. It's about the feeling of being seen. But that feeling fades fast, and the bill doesn't. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's sleeping well because your bills are paid and your money's growing. That quiet confidence beats fake luxury any day. Peace of mind is the real flex. You're not competing with your friends. You're competing with algorithms that profit from your insecurity. The moment you realize that, you take back control. Don't flex for them, build for you. You ever realize how those $9.99 subscriptions sneak up on you? Netflix here, Spotify there. Gym app you haven't opened in months, before you know it, your wallet's bleeding slowly. They're quiet money vampires hiding behind convenience. Most people pay for 12 subscriptions, but only use about half. It's like paying for a gym you never step into or channels you never watch. You're not broke because of big purchases. You're leaking cash through tiny holes every month. Imagine canceling just a few unused ones suddenly. You've got $500 to $1,000 freed up every year. That's not pocket change. That's your investment starter fund. The first step to real wealth is knowing where your money's leaking. Free trials aren't really free, they're designed to make you forget. It's like setting a trap for your future self. As Benjamin Franklin said, beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. We all love convenience. DoorDash, Amazon Prime, Uber Eats. It feels like life's on easy mode. But here's the truth. Those apps aren't time savers. They're silent wallet drainers. You're trading real financial freedom for quick comfort. The average American spends over $1,200 a year just on food delivery. That's like buying a new laptop every year and tossing it in the trash. We think it's just a small fee here and there, but it's quietly eating our goals alive. Imagine cooking at home just 2 more nights a week. That's $100 saved every month. It's not just about the money. It's the sense of control you get back when you stop outsourcing every part of your life. You think you're buying time, but really, you're paying for laziness disguised as efficiency. Remember what Thomas Jefferson said, never spend your money before you have earned it. That's timeless wisdom right there. You ever notice how everything's financed now? Phones, couches, even vacations. We're renting our lifestyle instead of owning it. It feels easy at first, but those monthly payments pile up like a mountain you can't climb down from. Almost 70% of Americans carry some kind of consumer debt, not even counting housing. That's crazy. Man, it's like everyone's running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. Now imagine this. What if you owned your stuff outright? No payments, no interest. That's like giving yourself a $400 monthly raise. Dude, suddenly, your money starts working for you, not the other way around. The trap is instant gratification. It feels amazing now, but later it costs your freedom. Like Kiyosaki said, it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. That's the real flex. Here's the real money trap, thinking you're saving by doing nothing. Every dollar sitting idle is losing value while others are out there growing theirs. The biggest waste of money isn't spending, it's letting it sleep. Let's put it this way, if you just invest $100 a month at 25, you could have over $100,000 by 65. But wait 10 years, you'll only have half of that. Time isn't just money, it's leverage. Investing isn't about being rich, it's about buying back your time and freedom. You're not chasing money, you're building choices. Each dollar you invest today is a tiny worker earning for your future self. Most guys say, I'll start later when I make more. But that's like saying you'll get fit after losing weight. The truth? Waiting costs more than starting small. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and he wasn't kidding. You know what most people get wrong about budgeting? They think it's a punishment, like cutting out everything fun. But budgeting is actually freedom in disguise. It's how you take charge instead of feeling broke every month. People who actually track where their money goes end up saving 25% more on average. It's like giving yourself a hidden bonus just by paying attention. The moment you see you're spending clearly, you start making smarter, confident moves. Budgeting isn't about cutting joy. It's about choosing what really matters. When you plan your money with purpose, it's like giving yourself a raise without asking your boss. You finally get to say, this is what I want my life to look like. Like John Maxwell said, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. If you don't give your money direction, it'll wander off fast. So make every dollar your teammate, not your enemy. So today, we uncover how small leaks, flex culture, convenience spending, and ignoring investments quietly drain your wealth. Remember, it's not about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Every dollar you waste today is a dollar that could have bought your freedom tomorrow. If this video hit home, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to break the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you've realized you're wasting money on lately? Let's help each other get smarter together. This is Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Thanks for watching. My friends, until next time, stay smart, stay intentional, and keep chasing real wealth.